Each month, the product teams at Google are shipping amazing AI updates in NotebookLM, Google Gemini, and Google Workspace. I test the updates on real projects and show you what actually works. This month, we're going to look at scheduled actions and Music Creation Pro in Google Gemini, Google Sheets AI agent, slides to AI video in Google Vids, and the amazing cinematic video in NotebookLM. 5 features, 1 minute each. Let's get into it. The first update this month is Google Sheets Build, which is an AI agent inside of Google Sheets. Just to demonstrate this, I'm asking Gemini to come up with a cash flow statement template for my food truck. I'm based in Ireland. Do some research. Please include all the categories I need and use a professional team. So this is going away doing a bit of research, and then it's come up with a plan. So it's given me structures and headings, cash inflows and cash outflow categories. I can review this. I can ask for updates if I need it. This structure looks good to me, so I'm going to approve. And then the agent gets to work. So this is all happening through an AI agent in the background. They're generating the template, they're generating all the calculations, the formulas, and finally going in and doing the professional theme on this cash flow for my food truck as well. So now when it's finished, it'll give me everything it did, and it'll also teach me how to use this template going forward. So it'll tell me everything it did, and it tells me how to use it as well. And looking at this looks perfect. I can put in my cash inflows, my cash outflows. That's reflected down below, and then we can also put in our opening balance as well, and that's reflected all the way across. The second thing I want to show you this month is the update to Google Music. So let's create music in Gemini, and you can now have templates. So I'm going to ask it to roast my friend Paddy from Cork. He's a banker in Dublin who loves Man United. This will go and think about what music it's going to include in the roast, and because this birthday roast is a country theme, this will come up with a country style song, and this is what it sounds like.
Born down where the river runs deep and the rain never quits. He traded the harbor for a desk where the prophet and the law sits. Left the rebel county for the neon lights of Dublin Quay. Now he's counting out the silver in a glass-walled treasury.
So the update here is with thinking selected, you can now make full-length songs instead of the 30 seconds that was there before. And the beauty of this is that it can do some research with Gemini, it can think about what it would make fun of someone from Cork about, and it's done a pretty good job here. The next update is cinematic videos in NotebookLM. These are available from the video overview. You give a prompt, and then the NotebookLM will take the background information and create a story from it, a cinematic video. This NotebookLM contains articles about the 2026 Masters Golf Tournament. Let's listen in.
When Rory McIlroy arrived at Augusta National in April 2026, he returned as the man to beat. In the 9 decades of the Masters tournament, success is common, but a successful title defense is a statistical anomaly. That final putt made him the 4th man to ever repeat as champion at Augusta, placing his name alongside Jack Nicklaus. True greatness isn't defined by front-running a flawless tournament. It is defined by the ability to survive a psychological collapse.
Google Vids have just released Convert Slides, which turns an uploaded slide deck into a video with narration. What the AI does to start off with is it will create a script for each slide. You can go in and alter these scripts if you want. And then for the voiceover, there's a number of different options you can choose. I'm going to pick an explainer here, and I'm going to create this video. Let's listen in to what it's created.
Welcome to the world in 2026. We'll explore the forces of technology, economy, and geopolitics that are shaping our world right now. The AI investment boom is massive. Global AI spending is forecasted to hit $2.52 trillion in 2026, a 44% increase year over year. Total global IT spending will reach $6.31 trillion, demonstrating the scale of this shift.
And it doesn't stop there. I can also create an AI avatar. So here I can just pick a slide. I can preview the avatar to see if the voice matches.
We see rapid growth in agents, robots, and autonomy. Driverless vehicles operate 24/7. Robotics is surging.
If I'm happy with that, I can create the full-blown avatar, and what this will do is it will sync the voice to the speech. So now that I've listened to the preview, I'm happy. This is what the full-blown avatar looks like.
From their AI projects.
We see rapid growth in agents, robots, and autonomy. Driverless vehicles operate 24/7. Robotics is surging. With with China installing 54% of global industrial robots.
I love this feature and it's something I'm using heavily at work. And if you want to learn more, this video is brought to you by DataCamp. DataCamp have just released a Gemini section of DataCamp, and the Gemini goes through some of the stuff we've gone through today. Gemini in Google Workspace, Gemini in NotebookLM, and they've just released a new course called Creating Engaging Video with Google Vids. So this will tell you exactly how to use Google Vids for your next presentation or a video you want to make internally in your company. There's so many features here, and this course does a great job of breaking all those down. A link to DataCamp is in the description. And finally, one of the best new features in Gemini is schedule action. So go to settings and help, go to schedule actions, and then you can create a new schedule action. So what this will do is this will run a prompt at a certain time. Great for research, and I use this for my research on the new developments in Google. I'm going to set this daily for 7 a.m. And this is an example of what comes into my Gemini every morning, a structured report that tells me the latest updates in the Gemini ecosystem. So I hope you found those 5 new features useful. If you want me to cover any of those features more in depth, please comment down below. And I'll see you next month for another Google AI Updates video.